So I wake up one morning to the sound of my water pump running non-stop. Usually that means one of my fresh water tanks is empty. But that wasn't the case because I had just filled my tanks the day before because I was expecting Wendy. And when women come aboard, it's a pretty darn good idea to have running water.
My problem now is that my water pressure is not pressurizing. I woke up to that this morning, the pump running, and like, what the hell? And now it's just not pressurizing, so the pump keeps going on and that doesn't pressurize in the system. It's an air leak somewhere and I've been trying to find it and I can't find it. I need a break. Figure out something. So I saw online that the problem might be just that I need to put some air in a little reservoir, air reservoir. And I checked it out. It's got like a valve, like a bicycle valve, and you just need a bicycle pump. I just went and bought a bicycle pump, 300 escudos, $3. Now I'm gonna say hello to Jose. Hey, motherfucker. Hey, motherfucker. And Nilsa. In Jose's bar, one of my favorite places to be. Here, Bar Pica-Pau. And this is Jose's bar with Ebe and Nilsa. Manya. Girls like my sunglasses,
They like my cheap sunglasses I bought from one of the Senegaleses I know. What can I say, baby? I'm a style guru, a fashion influencer.
So let's see if this works. Take that cap off, put it on, and put in some pressure. Okay, there's the cap. It's on there. That was good, a little pressure.
I could not influence my pump to work.
My water pump problem is a much bigger problem than I expected, and yes, I got a bicycle pump and pump some air into the pressure tank. And now I'm taking a whole damn pump apart, and I see there's some corrosion in the on-off switch in there, and it might be it, and I'm not really in the mood to be doing this. I'm super hungover from last night, from Valentine's Day with Wendy. We had a blast. And this morning, I can't even get the pump to pump water through the system. It won't shut up. It's all fucked up. I don't feel like doing this. This is hard. But anyways, check this out. I'm gonna clean this all up and get to the bottom of this. Maybe just sleep on it and get to it tomorrow. There was something wrong here, and all this corrosion, I'm gonna clean it up with some vinegar. Clean all this out too. And I don't know about this. How do you take this apart? Get in there, make sure it's all cleaned up and there's no gunk. Oh gosh. Here you go, let's clean this up first with some plain old vinegar. Now that looks a whole lot better. I'm gonna clean this all out. Oh man, the dishes are dirty from drinking adventure last night. Oh, Deus. Good morning, friends, and a beautiful morning it is today in San Vicente. It is gorgeous outside, clear visibility, no dust, no nothing, and I got my water working. How? I don't really know. I had the faucet turned on to hot water, and that wasn't working. So there might be a problem with the hot water, but the water functions. Look at this. Yee-hee, I water. The pump stops when I need to. Here, I'll show you my beautiful little water station. But it is stopping. That's the main thing. It wasn't stopping before. I might have to adjust it a little bit. And like I said, check this out. It's a beautiful day. And because of that, I think I'm gonna go have a barbecue with my friend Jose. He invited us. Check this out. Beautiful day today. Beautiful. Going to Jose's for coffee. He just sent me a message, come by for coffee. Boy, I love my little motor. So quiet, right? Listen.
Jose's boat is just up the waterway from me. He's part of the sailor community here in the bay. even though he has a big-ass sport fishing boat.
Good morning, Jose! Quale! Bon dia! Pirata siya.
He's a proper sailor with over a dozen Atlantic crossings on sailboats.
No, it stopped.
Now, he's in the sport fishing business. And with these kind of lures, he's out to catch the big ones, baby.
That is a big mother fish. Huh? It costs like $100. Big fish.
And right over there is Sailor Matthew.
So here we are with Bruno, famous fisherman from Cape Verde. The most famous fisherman from Cape Verde. The multi-winning Blue Marlin competition. And the lover of hookers because his boat is called Happy Hooker. And behind us here is Matthew. So a new local pirate from here. We're going to Jose's place out in the country to have a paella.
So out in San Vicente countryside is our friend's modest place. Here, in the desert, where it's surreal surroundings. Why the fuck is this boat here, man? I mean, where are we? Oh yeah, we're way out in the Atlantic Ocean.
Botat! Und it cacho.
And here we are at Jose's little country place. Beware of his dogs. Those dogs are huge and always hungry. They protect the house. So don't mess with them, man. Bruno and I got the fire going, and listen to this.
Yeah.
So I just read that camembert cheese is going extinct.
Pirates talking about camembert cheese. That is pure pirate chic. Jose made his famous dipping sauce. Peppers, onions, garlic, and olive oil. Then the secret is to drop a piece of sizzling coal in it. It gives an amazing charred taste. Then he gave us a lesson in cooking paella. The man is a Spaniard from Mallorca. This is serious Spanish gastronomy. Adding the rice in the form of a cross in the pan is part of the measuring system. It comes out just perfect. Then give it a good stir and let it cook. And then, it's pure perfection. Gracias, Jose. Now, what about this American pirate Matt?
So tell us your story. How the hell did you get here? What happened?
I came here the end of January. A friend of mine from California was sailing this boat, a Catalina 42, from Spain back to America. I was on another job in the States in the freezing cold, and we happened to contact one day, and he said out of the blue, would you come help me? And I couldn't have said yes any quicker. I finished that job in Florida and took a train to Miami and then jumped on a plane and got here 2 days later. And Dan's a friend of mine, old timer.
Yeah.
And so I was inclined to help him out and without any other considerations at the time.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. this Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.